can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be doing a pretty decent sized unboxing for you guys. We're going to be showing you guys some of my most recent pickups, including Supreme's drop from last week, where I got a couple pieces from their website. I do have some Pacsun pants to show you, some Nike sneakers, some FTP, some more shit that actually I feel like is pretty dope. I want to get into that. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, leave it a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video, and you might go ahead and be shouted out right here with the post notification gang. Also, click that gleam link at the top of the description if you want to be entered in the Supreme Smoke Tea giveaway. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the light stuff. I got some stuff from TJ Maxx. Like this tee right here, it's nothing major, but it's just a simple like cotton terry material, and I like the color on it, so I decided to pick it up. This is from American Eagle, and I got it for $6, which is insane. I do like this teal colorway on it. That's mainly the reason that I got it. This is just a cozy shirt that I could just throw on and be out. Like, it's just something simple. You could throw a flannel over this and make it look real nice. Something that you just wear on a more day-to-day basis rather than Supreme is this right here. But another piece that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and one of my favorite jackets in the collection, is this Levi's jacket right here. Now you're probably like, yo, that looks weird or whatever, but I do love this piece a whole lot. What I like about it is that it has different panels on it. Like right here, you see it has the blue denim, then it goes to like a light denim fade on it. It's different panels, and I honestly love when they do that with different pieces like this right here. I like the way that the back is set up, so you got two light panels on the sides, then you got that blue on the middle right there. I love this jacket a whole lot, honestly. I love that contrast between the deep blue and then you got like the light denim blue on it as well. Fire ass piece. I got this for like $30 at TJ Maxx. You could definitely not go wrong with some of the pieces that you find there. This is one of the items that I go to TJ Maxx to try and look for. They don't have them normally. They might not have a lot of sizes, but when they do have them, it's definitely a plus to go ahead and pick up, because you could wear this with so many things, and it's just an essential in my collection now. I love this jacket, and y'all definitely would see me wearing this a whole lot. But this was the second piece I picked up from TJ Maxx. Now I'm gonna get into some of the stuff that I picked up from FTP, including this shirt right here. This is from their last drop. It says FTP right there. Then on the back, it says some shit, some crazy shit. It says you're going to die, the population, but it's cool. It looks cool. I mainly got it because I don't have this type of gray tee, and it does have the FTP on the front. I tried to get one of the main FTP gradient logos, but it was not happening, bro. So I went ahead and got this right here. Second best. It is what it is. I went ahead and got it because I thought it was pretty dope. Fuck it, right? Pretty clean tee though, front and back graphic. I do feel like I would wear this a lot. I like the gray and the red combination. But that same day, I did pick up some more stuff from FTP, including this box cutter right here, which is fire in my opinion. I feel like this is something that I'll definitely need in the future. I do like the packaging on it, so I'm gonna probably leave it in here for now, but in the future I probably will be opening this. You feel me? I might need it. I might need a box cutter. I just like when brands do like little knives and shit that I might actually use in the future. It says FTP all around it in the back. Got that FTP right there dead in center. It says some more stuff on the side as well, but this was the second piece that I picked up from FTP on this drop. This was like one of their main drops that has happened in a little while. Honestly, I'm waiting for their winter drop. I should have got way more stuff from that collection that just came out, but honestly I was slipping and there was too much shit going on. But right here we do got the FTP Shot Glasses. I'm really glad I was able to get these right here, because I feel like in the future I will be using these. I don't really want to take them out of the box for too long. I might just take them out for a little bit just to show you guys. But right there we do got the standard shot glass with the FTP over it right there. Fire piece. I do like the fact that they did drop 4 of them as a set, and it wasn't too expensive, which is another good thing when it comes to FTP. This was the third piece that I got, and honestly bro, I ordered the slides in black, but I had a little malfunction when it came to it because mine were defective, so I sent them back, and honestly I've never heard back. I'm waiting for my shit to come back, and I've been sending emails, bro, but I have not received shit. No credit, no new slides, no nothing. At this point I'll take my shit's fucked up, but it is what it is. Right here we had these shot glasses, clean ass piece that I definitely will be using in the future. So next up we got this package from Profound Aesthetics. If you guys are avid viewers of the channel, you already know that they are supporters and they do send a lot of stuff my way. So if you do want to go ahead and check out any of these pieces, I will link them down below. With my code Astro20 Fw19 for 20% off. They show me mad love, bro, so go ahead and do the same with them as you do with me. That shit would mean the world to me, honestly. But let's go ahead and show you guys some of these pieces real quick. So I'm not even gonna lie, bro, this tee right here got worn already. Like, that's how fire I feel like this is. I love the way that stripes look on me, and I love the color combination on this piece, so I threw it on already. Like, I apologize for that, but Profile Aesthetics right there, if I'm being honest, bro, I love their execution, the materials that they use. This tee was also on sale for like $28 or so, or like 32 or 28. If you use my code Astro20, this would have been like 20 something bucks. Next up, we do have one of their collaboration items. This item is from a collab that they actually did with Pepsi, which I want to show you guys, and I've been waiting to open this hoodie, honestly, because I love the quality of their hoodies as well. I love the graphic on it, honestly. It reminds me of like a vintage Pepsi commercial. It says more ounce to the bounce right there, and then it says profound right here. I honestly love the way that they do their branding for most pieces because it's so subtle. You're not even able to tell that it's Profile Aesthetics, and that's so sick to me. I like it because it doesn't shove the brand in your face. If you know, you know. It's that type of vibe, which I honestly like much more when I get some of these pieces. Shout out to Profile Aesthetics again for the major look on these pieces. This is honestly gonna be one of my favorite hoodies because it's black. Y'all know how I love the color black, like literally. Check them out. But next up, we got a fire ass piece, bro. Right here, we got this hand-drawn jacket. This is insane, bro. Look at this. It's literally hand-drawn on these jackets. You got like this rose right there. There's a saying on there as well. You got like a bird flying. There's this girl with like crossed out eyes. You got Donald Trump distressing on the collar, which is fire as well. There's more shit going across the sleeve as well. It says raw right there, or war. And on the bottom front, you got more shit too. Like, come on, dude. This is just a fire ass jacket, bro. I like to give credit where it's due, and they did it with this jacket right here. Like, this looks insane. I'ma definitely wear the shit out of this jacket, bro. This jacket is hard. Come on now. Yeah, this shit is being worn for sure. I'm gonna keep it on right now. Matter of fact, this shit is hard. Right here, we got one more tee that I did pick up from them. It's like this dog with a chain on, and it has like a rose on his face. It says every dog has its day, which is honestly fire. I like this graphic right here. It's just a clean tee that you could wear a little chain with. That's honestly the main reason that I got this, because I did just recently get a gold chain from Aporo, and I feel like it would look perfect with this. Like, throw on these right here with this. Come on now, I'm doing it to them. But this is hard. They always show love to the channel, and it would definitely mean a lot if you guys supported them as well. But let's go ahead and get into some of these other items, like this Supreme pickup that I got from last week. First of all, I'm gonna show y'all these because this is probably the most important part. We got some more Hanes tees. I got the socks so far, and I got the tees, so we living, bro. Like, we got 2 pieces from Hanes. I'm gonna open those, and I'm probably gonna end up using those ASAP, but we did max out on the little post-it things right here. We got the little tags. Honestly, if you guys would like, I might do a giveaway on one of these after the Supreme smoke tee giveaway is up. Let me know. I might include this, one of the little soldiers, a scratch off box logo, something like that. Let me know if you would like that down below. But right here, we do have 4 of these little post-its. I honestly kind of do like these. I feel like I might be able to use this. This might be beneficial to go ahead and label some things that I want to remember, or just things like that. These are pretty clean though. I like the fact that there's 100 in each one of these, so even if I give one away, I would have at least 200 to 300 left, which is not bad, bro. I could do whatever I need with these. But to me, this was probably one of the best items that came out last week, bro. This was the only thing that I was actually like, yo, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I left a little flashlight to the side. That shit wasn't even really important to me, so I just left it be, and we scooped up 4 of these right here. Fire clean pickup, something real subtle. Go ahead and let me know if you would like me to do a giveaway on these once the Supreme smoke tee giveaway is over, which you guys should go ahead and enter that as well. But we did get 3 stickers. We got this one, which I didn't get before. This is the Supreme new shit sticker. We got another scratch off box logo, and I got a second banner sticker, which is honestly a vibe because I only had one of these, so now I can actually use one. Clean pickups, nothing over the top, honestly. But these Hanes tees, I don't even have to open them. You guys know they have the little box logo on the side. Now we about to go ahead and get into the better part, in my opinion, because I feel like Supreme was kind of lackluster this week, or last week, and this week, low-key. We got my little pickup from Nike right here. These are another pair of Jordan 1s. Go ahead and guess in the comments which one these are, because there was like 2 fire-ass pairs that recently came out, and this is the one that I've been wanting for mad long. I don't know if I brought it up on the channel that I was trying to get these, but I for sure for sure needed to get these right here, the obsidian with the baby blue. Come on, I was going crazy over these when I first brought them up. And the crazy thing is that I barely ever hit on sneakers, so the fact that I was able to get these right here is a vibe, bro. Like, I actually ended up hitting. Come on now, you got that little cream colorway on the toe box right there, cream colorway on the outsole with that baby Carolina blue on the back, got the navy right there. Super clean pair. Definitely gonna be wearing these a whole lot. Come on now, these shits are hard, bruh. All I'm missing to have like a complete Jordan 1 collection, at least to me, maybe not for you, is the breads, bro. I got the shadows, the royals, I got some turbos, I got these right here, I got the white on black joints, the yin yangs. We lit. I got the barons as well. I got a pretty decent collection. All I need is a red pair and preferably the bread pair, but these shits are hard, bro. You cannot tell me these are ass. They don't deserve the ass tag. These shits go crazy in my opinion. The other pair that came out was the satin black toes or something like that, but y'all already know them shits was gonna be impossible to get. I'm so glad I was able to get these. I count my blessings for that because I barely ever hit on sneakers. I'd rather get these more than a lot of other pairs that came out, but I am a big fan of Jordan 1s. This is all me right here. I've been waiting to open these and lace them up. I don't know if I'm gonna use the little Carolina laces. I'm gonna just keep it real smooth with the navy on it. I'm gonna go ahead and see what it's looking like, but another fire pair to add to the collection. These obsidian Jordan 1s right here. All right, so we got one more thing to talk about, and it is my pickups from Pacsun. I needed some black denim. I felt like I was lacking in the bottom region, so I decided to go ahead and pick up 2 pairs of black pants, one of them being some cargo pants, which I'm gonna show you guys first. I feel like when it comes to denim or pants, if you don't have black, you're slipping, because this is literally the color that you could wear with anything. That's mainly why I got them. These are some cargo pants, and they do have like this little zip tie at the bottom. It's kind of weird to explain it, but you can like scrunch it up. Like I did a little bit with these right there, or you could leave them straight like that and they're still skinny, which is honestly a plus, because normally when they do the little scrunch bottom, it's baggy as hell. I do like the fact that these right here are already skinny or like slim, and then once you do that, they become skinny or however you want them to fit. The reason I wanted these right here is because since it does have that little scrunch bottom, it works perfectly with low tops or high tops, because when it's a high top, you normally don't want it scrunched up because it'll make the sneaker look bigger, but I can just leave it open like this, and if it's a low top, I can tighten it up a little bit to make the sneaker pop even more. But this is a fire ass pair of pants. They were having a buy one get one half off, so I was like, yo, might as well go ahead and get them now. I do need them anyways, so fuck it, you feel me? I love these a whole lot honestly, and I will be wearing them. I do have like these cream drawstrings, which I have been debating switching out the drawstrings for a cream pair or just leave it subtle in the all black. I honestly don't know yet, but if I do change them, I feel like they would look hard too. I would change them for these cream drawstrings right here. I kind of feel like that would be a vibe, not even gonna lie. It would give it like that fear of God type feel, but I don't know just yet. I'm gonna try and figure it out and see if that's something that I actually want to do first before I go ahead and go through the hassle of taking these shits out and putting these in if I fuck around and don't even like it, you feel me? Next up, we got some flat black denim. Another thing that I wanted to say, bro, with flat black denim, you could wear these shits with anything and they look perfect with almost every fit. So this is an essential pair that you need. I do have like some washed gray denim, but it's not black, bro, so I had to get the all black joints that you could wear with Jordan 1s. You could wear this shit with Yeezys, with any high tops, low tops, everything. This is like the Air Force One of pants. Let's just be honest. This is hard though. Nothing really much I can say about it. It's just a black pair of denim. So yeah, man, this was the last pickup that I had for you guys today. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a like down below if you did enjoy and would like more of these unboxings. Honestly, this video might be long as hell, but I appreciate each and every one of you. If you are watching this, man, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click that gleam link at the top of the description if you want to be entered in a Supreme Smoke Tea giveaway, and I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel